ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to look at number 20. The main focus to processing parts. So we're starting on with task 1. So task 1, this is the executive parts. So open this file N2402 evidence. So we need to look for that evidence file. So that's the evidence file. So after opening this evidence, your details appear every page of it. So then you need to save your document as evidence, then your candidate number. So if your details are required on every document, on every page, then it means you need to insert a header or a footer. So for this task, just insert your header. So enter your name, your center number, your candidate number. Now, after this, we have this, and the evidence document is to be opened throughout the exam. So file, save this, then you save within the exam folder. Then you make sure when you are saving a document, convert it to a Word document. Then we are saving this as evidence, followed by your candidate number, something like this. Then you save. Next, we'll open this document, organic RTF. So from our source folder, we look for the organic. So that's the organic, and that's the main file when asked. So in opening this one, we are told all the setup, the margins, the orientation has already been done, but we need to save this file as what is organic, and also save it as a Word document. Save as into file, then save it as a Word document, and we give it the name. Then you save. From there, we need to remove any page breaks from the organic document. So we go to the document, then we have to locate the show wide, then we have to locate the page breaks, and then documents. So you can see here there is a page break. I can remove this page break, and there's another page break here. Delete that. So I've managed to pick about 2 page breaks. So that's it for that part. Then go on to this place in this document a right aligned header with automated page numbers, a right aligned footer on a single line with text produced by. So we need right aligned on the header, automated page numbers. So go to my insert header, then I go on to remove the left, remove the center, then here on the right hand is where we will need the page number. So I go to page number, then I say current position, I put the page number there. So if I close the header footer, my page numbers will appear on the top right. What else here? We need a right aligned footer on a single line with the text. So this text followed by your name, center number, candidate number, and this is to be right aligned as well. So it's repetition of the same process. I just go to insert footer this time, a lengthy column, then from there I go on to then I want this information on the right side again of the footer. So on the right side of the footer, the thing that they need here is guide produced by. So I need to enter the text guide produced by, then name and center number and the number. So that will be it for the header. Now we more header and footer. So header and footer is complete for now. Now the next part is to look at select the subheading what is organic farming and the following text up to and including looking after the license. So organic farming and looking after the license. So organic farming. So from this point up to this point, looking after the license. So what do they do here? Change the layout so that only this text is displayed in two columns of equal width with 1.5 centimeter between the columns. So there's an issue of adding columns there. Page layout, columns, more columns. Then I choose my two columns and they want 1.5 centimeter space there, 1.5 centimeter. Then okay, so I have my 1.5 centimeter space done there. Sort the bullets from mixed crops to as compost into alphabetic order. So mixed crops as compost. So this have to be in alphabetic order. So this is mixed crops up to this point, and we need to go on the home page and we have to select the sort. So we are sorting our data in ascending order. So our bullets is now starting from B. Now we look at what next here. Format this list so that a star bulleted list replace the existing bullets. The bullets are indeed in 2 centimeters from the margin. So what do we need here? We need to change the bullets. So I come here and then I go on to define new bullets because the bullets are not there. So I can look for a symbol. So once the symbol comes, I now look for the star-shaped bullets. So I can pick this star-shaped bullet, click OK, click OK. Then I have to indent the bullets. So click on this paragraph icon. Then 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters. Indenting the bullet 2 centimeters from the margin. So that's it. Then I go on to the next part, create and store the following style basing on normal paragraph style. So alright, so we are creating this style and being based on normal paragraph style. So the style that we need to create here is called off some heads. So that's the style that we are going to create there. So I just go on to my so my default paragraph style is off body, so it's fine. So I'm just going to choose the styles, click on Home tab, go on styles, click on this icon, then I can go on to choose new style. So new style, then I type the name of the new style, which is off ambient. Off ambient, then it's based on off body, that's the default, so that's fine. So this is a serif font, so I keep it as Times New Roman, and this is 22. And what else here? we need it to be centered, so this is the center. We need it to be bold and italic. We need it to be single line spacing, so we find it on format, paragraph. So this is 1.5, so we have to change it to single line spacing. Then 0 space before and 4 point after, so everything else is okay. So I have my subhead style there, then I click OK. Now what will it, so evidence of this one, just right click, modify, then I just go on to take my screenshot. So this is the required screenshot there. So for now I'm just cancelling, I'm not going to do the screenshot. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to highlight this. So this has been formatted to the sub head, but there's no application yet of this style. So I'm just changing this to off body, the normal paragraph style. Headings. So I need to identify 5 subheadings within the document and apply the off head. So applying a style is just a matter of highlighting, then you apply it. So highlight, you apply, up until you have located all the 5 subheadings that are required. Now the document. So we need this table that is there. So we just locate the table, then delete the entire column with this. So we are locating the table, and what are we supposed to delete? It will be heading 2014. So we need to delete this whole column. So right click on that column, then delete columns, so that column disappears. Then we do the other part, format the first row so that it becomes a single cell with content center lined over 4 columns. So for this one, we are highlighting everything, then we are going to choose the merge cells. So our data is centered given this space. So we are asked to format so this one we've done, format the table so that the table width is set to be 10.5 meters. The table is centered within the column and all text and row displays on one line. So it is to be 10.5 centimeters. So what I'm going to do, select the table, then I go to my layout. So when I go to my layout, I find the height. So I need alright, so on our layout, this is where we are going to format the table. I go on to select the table, then I go to this icon on the layout, cell size, so click on it, then preferred size. I change my preferred size to 10.5, then I center it so that it also needs to be centered. So that's it. Then we move on to format only the paragraph that starts with physical barrier. So alright, so we need to format a paragraph physical barrier. So let's go to that paragraph. So this is the paragraph. So paragraph, we need to indent it 1 meters from the left. So 1.5 centimeters from the left. That's the indent. Then 2.4 size of the border. Then I just click on OK. So